Hi everyone, my name is Akshat and I am back with the other video. In previous videos, we have talked a lot about passion and what you want to do in your life. And in today's video, we are going to talk about a simple mistake that a lot of people do and an additional tip that you can try out to excel in whatever you are doing. After talking to a lot of people, I actually realized that people know what they want to do, but the main problem is they don't actually do it. I have some friends who have some great ideas. I personally think that those ideas can be turned into $1 million businesses, but actually they don't even trying to start that idea, to execute on that idea. That's the main problem. But if you're someone who is doing something or going to do something, here's a simple tip from my side and from the books that I have read in the past 10 days. So the main idea is, no matter what you are doing, just start putting it out online. If you are a business person, start selling your products online. If you are a chef or you have a restaurant, start listing your dishes on Zomato, Swiggy. So if you are an artist, start putting out your arts or paintings on Instagram or on Pinterest. This is how you can reach out to a lot of people. I know there would be a lot of people who are not able to connect their thing with the internet or their passion with the internet. For those people, I want to say that all you have to do is just document the process. If you are an athlete, just document how your life looks like. What is your diet? What is your exercise routine? If you are a student, just make study vlogs or share your learnings online. This is what I am doing. I am sharing my learnings with you people. And this is not what I say. This is what Garyvee says. Document, don't create. Perfect example of this is a kid getting viral over internet. Someone randomly put his videos on the Instagram Reels. People started liking that video went viral. Now he is an internet sensation. Badshah created a video with him. He is on trending. This is the power of internet. I know there would be people saying that he would not be able to sustain for a long time, but if he used the opportunity in the right way, he can do wonders, and you can also do that. Now the main dilemma with some people is that they actually don't know what to do in life or what is their passion. All I want to say is, just start doing whatever you want to do right now. If you want to create YouTube videos, just pick up your camera and start making videos. If you want to become a chef, just start making dishes. If you want to become a singer, just start practicing. If you want to become an artist, just start creating paintings. This is how you can do things, because if you are good at something, you become better than 99% of the people. This is how you fall into the 1% category. And the top 3% of any skill, any career earns more than an average person. A lot of people think that there is no scope in anything. See, there are two ways of monetizing your passion. The first is active way and second is passive way. The perfect example here is Virat Kohli. He earns more from ads than from cricket itself, right? So this was today's video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and if you think this video can help someone, show that you care for them by sharing this video. Meet you in some other videos, and bye.